Start by marinating your chicken in a mixture of yogurt, lemon juice, and spices for at least a few hours, or preferably overnight. This will help to infuse it with flavor and keep it tender. To get a nice char on your chicken, try grilling it over high heat before adding it to the sauce. For a rich and creamy sauce, consider using heavy cream or coconut milk as a base. To add depth of flavor to your sauce, try using a variety of aromatic spices, such as cumin, coriander, and garam masala. If you like a bit of heat in your chicken tikka masala, consider adding some diced chili peppers or a pinch of chili flakes to the sauce. For a healthier twist, try using Greek yogurt or coconut yogurt as a substitute for heavy cream in the sauce. If you're in a rush, consider using a store-bought tikka masala sauce as a base, and then adding in your own spices and flavors to customize it. To add some texture to the dish, consider serving it with a side of basmati rice or naan bread. For a vegan version of chicken tikka masala, try using tofu or vegetables in place of the chicken. Finally, don't be afraid to get creative and add your own personal touch to the dish. Whether it's using different types of vegetables, adding in some unusual spices, or coming up with a unique sauce, the possibilities are endless.